Namaste all. Today we are going to discuss about the COVID or coronavirus and what happened so far in our lives. So it disrupted our life, the way of life. Now it is time to all of us to think for that transforming to new possible ways of life. So our common name is human. So we can call it as hum, H-U-M, hum, being. So hum being, human, then it will be gender discrimination. That's why we call it as hum being. Hum being means a process. So transforming is also a process. So there is no particular way. So we can go in different ways to achieve the same results. So that's why the possible ways. So possible ways can be defined here. One important skill is required. That skill is starts in the C. C is nothing but creative skill. So here we are seeing the creative skill to influence or impact in the day-to-day life to fulfill our desires. So now the important point is during this COVID period we need to live well. So to live well in the long run, what is required is immunity development. How to develop the immunity? So based on the scientific analysis, the only way we can improve our immunity is through diet. So there are other methods which is also can be tried, because based on our day-to-day experience we can gauge some methods like AOG concept. This is a concept I am trying to explain to improve our immunity. If you see the word immunity, unity, so the unity I am to improve the immunity. What we are doing externally now, we are making alcohol based sanitizer on our hands so that it will destroy outside itself. So that means we are fighting with the COVID. But by chance, if it is entering into our body, then we need to develop the same alcohol or mattu within ourselves. So it sounds like the same solution can be applied from inside, but how to develop that mattu? That is what the question. Here we can explain that by using a concept known as AOG technique and EOB concept. So EOB concept means expansion of boundaries or expansion of the body. Physically we cannot expand further after certain age. So what to do now? In our mind space we can expand endlessly, and we need to develop the AOG in our day-to-day life and apply that 4 times a day. Like this, AOG means attitude of gratitude. Whatever you have, you are going to give the gratitude to that in the form of a namaste. Mentally you can repeat this so that your expansion of your body or mind space will happen. So when you are expanding, your physical body tries to generate the required alcohol within you in the form of a marijuana or medicine. Unity can be achieved by expansion of the boundaries. So that process we can see. I have to develop, I am to develop that medicine. I want to expand my boundaries with the concept of attitude of gratitude. That we will discuss in detail in the next video. Thank you. This is to make every human being understand the day-to-day process and implement. By doing this, can we improve the immunity? Definitely. Why? When you are expanding, your physical body tries to generate the required medicine within you, which can be include that virus and fight within yourselves. So thank you. Namaste.